Chapter number 10, Space Mission. All the people, they are always curious to know, is there any outside world beyond the earth? How this shape of moon is changing every now and then? Why the stars are twinkling? Everyone must be had a dream that I should go beyond the earth and see what is there, isn't it? We all feel like that. So all that questions which are there in the mind of the man work on it, and that gave rise to the different space missions what we have. So our curiosity only has lead to the development and the technology, right, in the direction of the space also. So we have different spacecraft, and we have the space voyages possible. Nowadays we are having many thousands of satellites are there which are orbiting around the earth, right? So we are doing the close observation, and we are launching many more spacecraft or the satellite to know the outside world. Now children, this our space mission has two categories. One type of mission, the objective is to put an artificial satellite in the orbit around the earth for the research and other purposes, like to get the weather report, to get the Google Maps, etc. So one thing is related to earth, तो earth के relation में है, earth में क्या किधर है उसके relation है. The second mission is to know about the outside world. So outer space, and we should have the close observation and the understanding of our solar system. And what is that? Still, is there any world beyond it? Is there something beyond it? That is what our thing we wanted to know. So we have the space mission with two main reasons. First, related to earth, right? So whatever researches are done, that is related to earth. And second, about the outer space. So we have these two space missions. So this is how the classification is done, right? Now here in front of you I am having the picture of the satellite which is revolving around the earth, and we have something called as the space voyage, some spacecraft which is finding out the things from the outer space. Okay, now let us go ahead.
Excuse me, miss.
I'm just showing you some of the astronauts. So Neil Armstrong, Rakesh Sharma, Sunita Williams, these are the famous personality. So you can just go through the textbook and you will get the information about it. For this year this part is cancelled, so I am not discussing, children. Okay, so you will get the information about it. Now let us go ahead with the need and importance of the space mission. Children, we all are now saying that very close to each other. You are at your home, I am here at my home, but still we are able to communicate with each other. Not just this much, even some of my friends are say in America or any other part of the world, then also I can have a talk, I can have a video call, right? I can have a Google Meet conversation. I can talk on Zoom. I can arrange the meeting on WebEx, right? So all these things are possible. So we are able to gather the information of all around the world in just a fraction of seconds, right? So what is important here? Here important is it is due to the internet, right? All this information we can get on a mobile through the internet, whatever things are going on at some corner of the world, right? So we are able to know कि उधर उधर कहाँ पे कुछ आग, ऑस्ट्रेलिया में आग लग गई थी कि यहाँ पे बाढ़ आ गई. Everything we can see. Now second thing, children, we are able to see the TV channels. Now we have a Doordarshan, right? So we have a normal news bulletin on the Doordarshan also, or you can say Aaj Tak, or but whatever news you are listening, the same news the person in the Pakistan will be listening. अरे उसको इंडिया का क्या काम है, इंडिया के न्यूज़ का? They must be listening to their news ना. So how come the newses in India is differing from the newses of the, you can say, America or Pakistan or etc. सो दैट इज़ अ क्वेश्चन. तो ऐसे कैसे होता है कि हम लोग का ही कुछ कुछ प्रोग्राम हमारे इंडिया में ही दिखते हैं, हाँ, इंडिया के बाहर फिर वो प्रोग्राम नहीं दिखते. सो व्हाट इज़ द रीज़न बिहाइंड इट? सो ऑल दिस इज़ ड्यू टू दी सैटेलाइट्स, चिल्ड्रन. Then at the end of the news we have the news this weather report. Now there they talk about where you are going to have the a heavy rain, or you are going to have a cyclone, etc. So thus all predictions are done, right? So this predictions and everything is due to the photographs taken from these artificial satellites whatever we are sending. So we have the weather satellites, children. We have the communication satellite. We have the broadcast satellite. And if you think whatever military activities are there, so all those military activities also, हाँ, जो सबको मालूम नहीं पड़ना चाहिए क्या होता है क्या नहीं. So there is military satellite which collects all the information related to security. फिर वो मुझको भी पता नहीं चलेगा. Okay, and there are some earth observation satellites also which studies about the forests, deserts, oceans, etc. So different satellites are launched so that you can have different information. एक ही satellite सब information collect नहीं करती है. Different satellites are there to get the information, and all of us are connected with each other just by fingertips due to the internet facilities, right? You have something as seismograph which talks about the where the you will have a earthquake, etc. So rating scales are there, huh? See here we have the military power में कहाँ पे कैसे हो सकता है, किसका ये जो भी है मेरा टेंट वो कहाँ पे पहुँचा है ये. So where is my all the soldiers, how much they are far, everything information they can get. You may be knowing about the walkie-talkie and all small things with which the communication used to be done before, right? Now regarding the fossil fuels also, children, this rays are able to find out what all things are there in the inside the earth also. So all these things are possible, right? So everything is possible due to this artificial satellite which is used for different purposes. So we are knowing about our calamities. We are taking care during what you consider the war. अगर होता है तो हाँ, we are able to explore the fossil fuels and the minerals, etc. So you can say there are unlimited application of the space mission, huh? So you can say that we are developing country, so we have to do a lot of thing in the space technology also. and yes, we are doing under the guidance of Mr. Narendra Modi. We are doing it, right? Though अगर mission अगर fail भी होता है ना, तो we come to know what are the reason behind it, and next time we will overcome it. So let us start with something very first basic thing, which is the artificial satellite. So artificial satellite is nothing but an astronomical object which is orbiting the earth or any other planet, you can say. As we have the moon has our natural satellite, some other planet also have their satellites na. 67 satellites, I hope you know. One of the planet has 67 also. So anyway, so moon has given us an idea about the satellite. So we have now man-made satellites, or the object which is revolving around the earth or any other planet in a fixed orbit, and that we call as a artificial satellite. So let us know about our first satellite, children. Earth से first satellite गई थी Sputnik. What is the name? Sputnik is the name of the first satellite which was sent by the Soviet Union in 1957. Okay, you can see the picture of it. Now how many satellites we have now? कितने होंगे? 2 4 10 12 100 200? नहीं बेटा, we have more than 1000 satellites. Imagine more than 1000 satellites revolving around the earth. Now you must be thinking, अरे बाबा ये सैटेलाइट है तो क्या इसका फ्यूल ख़त्म नहीं हो जाता होगा? Children, normally the satellite work on the solar energy. So what they have the photovoltaic panels which is attached to both the wings of it. Okay, so we have on the wings of it the photovoltaic panels, and this satellite, they convert this solar energy and then works on it. Okay, so we have the instruments inside the satellite to receive and transmit the signals to the earth.